Hello, Difference Maker. My name is Alex Summers, and I'm on a team with Marcy Hardeye, Natalie Ortega, and Evan Brady, and we are introducing the Elderly Ally, an asset for the elderly. So there's been no question that the COVID-19 pandemic has greatly exacerbated the symptoms of mental illness, especially with the elderly, and we need to take the right precautions in dealing with that without spreading the virus. So how do we as a society aid the elderly? We do this through family and friends, at home nurses in nursing homes, and technology. COVID-19 affects two of the three of these. It's already very difficult finding nursing homes and personal nurses for the elderly because of price and availability, and coronavirus has made both of these options unsafe. And total resident death has exceeded 65,000 as of November 12th. So again, it's very unsafe to put your loved ones in nursing homes. And then pre-COVID, elderly were able to mingle with anyone they wanted, but nowadays that's not really an option. So that's another support system that they are losing. Fortunately, technology is remaining unscathed. Now, what does this mean for the elderly? Social isolation, poor quality of life, and depression. So what's the problem here? So during the COVID-19 pandemic, we've seen that the elderly are suffering from mental illness and struggling more than ever, even more so for people with dementia caused by Alzheimer's. And because of all the procedures implemented, they are not able to see their family and friends. And that's taken an entire support network out of the equation. And their safety is put in jeopardy when in contact with at-home nurses and nursing homes. So that's another support system that's being completely thrown in the garbage due to the pandemic. So what is the solution to this? Well, a solution is developing a new technology that will help the elderly with their daily routine by implementing a schedule for them to follow based on the voices and images of their friends. It's going to be very customized into someone's voice and picture, and it allows the elderly to recognize someone and build almost a connection with a completely fabricated um, device, an interface. So our competitors to this are going to be smartphones and tablets, which are a beacon for communication, and smart home devices such as Google Home and Alexa, which provide routines and reminders. But as you know, both these are expensive. Friends and families aren't available to talk 24/7, and smart devices in general are hard to use. Plus, with Alexa, it's not open source, so it's very hard to get the unique customization that you would normally want with a device like that. So how can we provide easy to use around the clock automated emotional support and a daily routine at an affordable price? Introducing Elderly Ally, automated, customizable, intuitive personal assistant dedicated to emulating emotional support. So how are we going to do this? So basically, we're going to have our customers fill out a survey outlining their specific needs, whether they want a daily routine, strictly emotional support, both of them, whatever they want. They submit a picture and an audio clip of whoever they want to be the helper. And this helper, through the help of artificial intelligence technology, is going to be fabricated into an artificial video clip of them talking to the user. So, for example, if you wanted President Obama to help you with your daily routine, you just take a picture of him, an audio of one of his speeches, and then with the two, you can create a completely fake conversation with it. And if you can create enough of these, based on the criteria that the survey indicates, um, we can load all of it onto a Raspberry Pi, and these fabricated video bytes can, along with an interface, can provide a unique user experience that can emulate a conversation with an actual person. And this Raspberry Pi is going to be hooked up to a small monitor that displays the interface and the chatbot. And this Raspberry Pi will be embedded in a 3D printed frame, which is all attached to the monitor.
Hello. What can I help you with? What is the weather? It's cloudy. How many things to do today? 4 things to do today. Thanks, Obama.
So that is a raw video clip. That is the very basic idea behind our project. I chose former President Obama to create an artificial conversation with, but let's say someone with dementia wanted to talk to their deceased loved one. You could theoretically use a picture of them and an audio clip and bring them back to life, basically. And that's especially helpful for people with dementia because if they're ever panicking or in hysterics, it can be a very grounding experience to talk to a familiar loved one, especially one that's been gone for a certain amount of time. So our target, probably get the gist of that already, both male and female, because both of them are affected by mental illness, of course, and especially they're affected by Alzheimer's. And typically 50 and above can mark the general start of when Alzheimer's causing dementia can begin, and especially going to be catered to people suffering from mental health issues because, as I said earlier, the COVID pandemic has really kind of put a strain on people's well-being. So you can contact any of us through these emails, and we hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you.